How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your Instagram brightness has been increasing automatically. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. First thing first, if you're facing this issue, what you want to do is check your phone settings. First of all, open up your settings. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you see your accessibility settings. Tap on it, and this might be different depending on the device you're using. You basically want to find something related to your vision. Tap on it, and if I scroll down, just make sure your extra dim feature is not turned on, because if this is turned on, oftentimes your Instagram brightness will constantly change automatically. And once you do that, head back to your settings and then go to your display settings. Make sure that your adaptive brightness or your auto brightness is turned on, and from here you can manually set your brightness. And after you do that, make sure your eye comfort shield or any kind of settings related to this is also turned off. Once you do that, long press on your power button to give your phone a quick restart, and your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.